Hello, in this video I will show you how to link Hulu to Disney Plus. Now, it's an extremely easy process. So what you have to do is firstly open your browser and then go to your Disney Plus account or Hulu account. So this can only work if you have bought the Disney Plus bundle pack, or in Hulu you have got the Disney Plus option as a subscription. As you can see, you will find this Hulu plus Disney Plus right over here if you have bought the bundle pack in Hulu, because in both the cases, in Disney Plus bundle and Hulu bundle right over here, you will need to get the subscription for both of Hulu and Disney Plus together. Because let's say for example, if you just simply buy Disney Plus over here, you will not be able to get the Hulu or ESPN, because Disney Plus will only the media that is available in Disney, like the animated movies and all the Disney movies. That's it. You will not get the ESPN or the Hulu. But to get the Hulu Plus, you will need to get the Disney bundle over here, which you can see right over here. So depending on the plan that you want, you have to choose it. Now there is also one more option. Let's say for example, if you did buy Disney Plus or Hulu, any one of them, you will still have the option to add a new subscription in the manage page of your account. So over there, just simply go ahead and add a new subscription, which will be either Disney Plus and Hulu or Disney Plus, Hulu and ESPN, depending on what you want. Just simply get that and you will be good to go. So that's the only way how to link Hulu to Disney Plus. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.